Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. It's time for another unboxing. This is something that I bought from Samsung because a viewer was curious about it. This is their Flash notebook that is a Windows 10 machine powered by a Gemini Lake processor. We've seen a lot of different computers like this from other manufacturers, so I thought I would check out what Samsung has. So I paid for this with my own funds. One thing to note, though, is that their website lists this as an N5000 processor, but the base model is only an N4000. So if you want the higher performance, you got to go with the next model up. And these are not inexpensive. In fact, I think they're overpriced for what they have. So this one with the N4000 processor costs $350. The N5000 version is $400, which again is quite a bit for a computer like this. But it's got a unique look and feel to it, which is what got me curious. So it's got this really rough feeling, almost too rough, kind of like a burlappy material here on the front. So the Microsoft Surface laptop has kind of a carpeted feel. This one feels a lot rougher than that. It's almost like a mix between burlap and recycled cardboard. You have a fingerprint sensor here, round keys, and we'll have to see how this feels when I type on it a little bit more. Trackpad, of course, and everything else. And we have I believe, a full HD 1080p display on this one. It's got a cool texture here as well. So it's mostly, smooth plastic here on the back and textured smooth plastic on the top. Fairly thin and light. We have HDMI out, USB 3, USB Type-C, and we'll test and see exactly what kinds of things you can do with that Type-C port in the full review that you can see on my main channel at lon.tv. And then it also has a micro SD card slot here that supports the newer UFS standard, which are faster micro SD cards. However, I cannot find one to buy to test. Apparently this is Samsung's format, and they don't make any cards yet to use with this computer, at least any that I could find on their website or even Amazon or anywhere else. So if you know where I can get one of those UFS cards, let me know, and we will test it out with this computer. Headphone microphone jack here, another USB 3 port, and a Kensington lock to lock it down on a desk. It's not all that heavy. It feels pretty decent, again, short of the crazy texture here on the keyboard deck. So what I'm going to do is get this thing booted up. We're going to run our full range of tests on it and compare it to some of the other computers that we have looked at with this class of processor. It looks like the battery is dead, so we'll have to charge it up for a little bit first. And stay tuned, more to come at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.